Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Prius maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that your multi-information display shows either trip A or the total odometer reading. If it doesn't, press the trip button until it does. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. Now, press and hold the trip meter reset button located on your dashboard. While continuously holding this button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Continue to hold the trip button firmly for approximately 10 seconds. This action prepares the system for the reset. As you hold the button, you will notice the odometer display begin to flash with a series of dashes. These dashes will count down or fill up, indicating the reset process is underway. Once the display shows 000000 or all dashes disappear, the reset is complete. You can then release the trip meter reset button. To finalize, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off and then turn it back to the on position. Check your dashboard to ensure the maintenance required light is no longer illuminated. If it's off, you have successfully reset your oil change reminder. This simple procedure helps keep your Prius running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.